Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.